Welcome back to Patternably. Today, we've got an exciting guide for all you aspiring fashion entrepreneurs out there. We'll be breaking down the steps to kickstart your own fashion brand using the fantastic platform Patternably. It's your one-stop shop for connecting with talented freelancers who can turn your fashion dreams into reality. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Create your free Patternably account. First things first, head over to Patternably's website and sign up for a free account. It's quick and easy, and this will be your gateway to a world of fashion freelancers ready to collaborate with you. Step 2. Gather inspirations for your brand. Before you dive into the freelancers pool, gather some inspiration. Collect photos, mood boards, and any visuals that showcase how you envision your fashion brand. This will guide your collaboration and help convey your unique style. Step 3. Hire your dream team on Patternably. With your inspirations in hand, it's time to browse the incredible fashion freelancers on Patternably. Hire an illustrator. A skilled illustrator is key to translating your ideas into captivating visuals. Whether you have rough sketches or just concepts in mind, an illustrator can refine and enhance them, providing a visual representation of your designs. Engage a technical designer. Technical details are the backbone of any successful fashion line. Hire a technical designer to conceptualize materials, trims, and all the intricate elements needed for the production of each garment. They ensure your designs are not only visually stunning, but also practical and production-ready. Step 4. Digital patterns with Patternably's experts. Once your visuals are approved, it's pattern time. Select a digital pattern maker from Patternably's pool of experienced professionals. Your chosen pattern maker will create digital patterns of your designs, sending them straight to you for easy download. It's the digital blueprint for your fashion line. Step 5. Produce and market your brand. This is the final stretch. Once your samples are tested and approved, you're ready to decide how you want to proceed. Depending on your budget, you can now mass produce your brand, market it to the world through various channels, and watch your fashion dreams come to life. And there you have it, launching your fashion brand in 5 easy steps with Patternably. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. For more insights into the world of fashion and entrepreneurship, stay tuned to Patternably. Best of luck on your fashion journey, and I'll catch you in the next video.